Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Zelle payments with Bank of America. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Zelle payments with Bank of America, start by opening the Bank of America mobile app on your smartphone. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers section in the main menu. Look for the option labeled Zelle. Tap on it to start the authentication process. If you're using Zelle for the first time, you will need to enroll. Follow the prompts to enter your email address or mobile number for Zelle. Bank of America will send a verification code to your chosen contact method. Check your email or SMS for the code. Enter the verification code in the app to complete the enrollment. Once enrolled, you can send and receive payments using Zelle. To send a payment, return to the Zelle section of the app. Select Send Money. Choose the recipient from your contacts or enter their email or mobile number. Enter the amount you wish to send. Add an optional message to the recipient if desired. Review the details of the payment before confirming. Once you're satisfied, tap on Send. You will receive a confirmation screen indicating the payment has been sent. To authenticate incoming Zelle payments, monitor your notifications closely. You will receive a notification for any incoming payments. Tap on the notification for more details. If the payment is from someone you recognize and trust, it will automatically be credited to your account. In case of any unknown transactions, you can report them through the app. Make sure to regularly check your transaction history for any unexpected activity. For added security, consider setting up biometric authentication if your device supports it. This will help ensure that only you can access your Zelle transactions. Keep your mobile app updated to benefit from the latest security features. Finally, always be cautious when sending money to new recipients. Take the time to verify their identity before completing any transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.